Namaskaram. Today let us discuss on the topic New Education Policy 2020. We have seen an environment for decades when there is a belief that one should go to abroad to get quality education. But students from other countries will come to India. Good institutions will come to India. This will be seen from now. This statement was made by Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, after the approval of the new education policy on 29th July 2020. The new education policy 2020 has replaced the 34-year-old education policy in our country. An overview about new education policy 2020. A panel of experts led by K. Kasturi Rangan, the former chairman of ISRO, presented the draft copy of new education policy 2020 to the then Minister for Human Resource Development, Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal. It was approved by the Union Cabinet after several modifications. Salient features of new education policy 2020. Emphasis on mother tongue or regional language till grade 5. Activity or project based learning. 5+3+3+4 education system. Coding and internships. Freedom to choose subjects from class 9 to 12. Ministry of Human Resource Development to be renamed as Ministry of Education. These are the key features of the new education policy 2020. The students are taught in their mother language till their grade 5. This helps in clear understanding and helps in developing interest towards the subject. We can also ensure that activity-based learning helps in conceptual approach of the students. The present 10+2 education system is just providing freedom for the students to choose their interested field of study only for 2 years. But the new education policy 2020 is giving more chance for a more period of time to get educated in their interested field of study. Reason for the new education policy 2020. Many governmental and non-governmental surveys that took place for many times concluded that there is a scarcity of learning in many parts of our country. Taking this into consideration, education was made compulsory up to 17 years of age for everyone in the country. This was discussed in the new education policy 2020. In fact, this was the main reason for the emergence of new education policy 2020. The first state to implement new education policy 2020. Karnataka became the first state to implement NEP 2020. The Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Basavaraj Bommai, along with the Union Education Minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, launched the college or university module, which was based on NEP 2020. Madhya Pradesh became the second state to implement the new education policy 2020. Till 29th July 2020, there was no Ministry of Education as per official records. Education was under the Ministry of Human Resource Development. On 29th July, this ministry was officially renamed as Ministry of Education in India. The new education policy 2020 was an answer for many questions about the different aspects of the previous education system. It has many revolutionary schemes in it. It has to be carefully implemented in order to achieve sustainable educational growth all over the nation. If anything goes wrong, the entire country gets adversely affected. So thinking twice before implementing is very much important. Many states in our country are habituated to a certain system of education. A sudden change like this is unexpected, and so it is a burden to the state education ministries. The teachers should be trained so that they can perfectly guide the new coming batches and can clarify the doubts of the students as well as their parents. To make it happen, the central government authorities should train the teachers for a few weeks and then start implementing the new education policy 2020.